Hello, hi. This is the day two of the English learning. Like my in this video we gonna discuss on that hobbies. Like there's so many people having the different hobbies because of if you know, the some people are reading books, some people are the listening movies, some people are the watching some content like the broadcast and something different. Like it is individually different. Like if you know in this every person having the different hobbies, but there are like to do some different unique something. So in my opinion, the hobby is key and the adaptability. Like if your hobby is good, yeah, you can easily learning the language or something different unique. So in my opinion, so describe your hobby. Like so in my hobby is like I am reading books. The some of time I am interesting to reading books and the learning the different topics, the story and some of the motivational or something different. I'm also reading the course. Like it is a like of the important books or something describe some of the sentence. It is a makes helpful for to everyone to read that. So if I am interesting to take some of the quotes, I put on my WhatsApp status because of that is makes helpful for someone. So wait for few seconds. In my nearby some of that the track will be there. So the train will be sound is going now. So wait for few seconds. I will explain for my hobbies. Like my hobby is something that quite good. I'm also reading books when I am free. So the the, the most of time I'm chatting with the ChatGPT because of if you only having the no emotion or only if you ask to everything in the ChatGPT, it will be the given an answer. So if you also the conversation with the your if you haven't anything something person, you take that video or you practice on the chat GPT. That is makes helpful also while you speaking. So this is my hobby. Like the everyone, they're spending with that time with the reels or something. How to say, the some people are the wasting time while the watching the mobile, watching the Instagram and the reels. So it is a waste of time in my opinion because of so many people left that the track because of everyone having the goal but not given the effect. So in my opinion, I'm also putting the so many work in my goal, but I can't get it still. What's the reason? I don't know. Because of me and some one of my friend put on the lot of effort during the college for exam perspective, but we haven't time for that for enjoying or something. The 4 years of the college life we are only the studying, reading and the exam. These are the only, so we haven't to enjoying that time. So you can be happy and consistency there for every life. So it is I'm speaking in the morning, so it is the good for see to everyone. Like like I'm also speaking some of the bad. Like I'm also beginner, so year after I also take that video every day. I put on my YouTube channel. So if you any mistake, please let me know. That is makes helpful for any mistake. I will correct them for next video. So in this video, this is that. So thank you for watching this full video. So we are the learning it together. So and also I mentioned, if you interest to speak with me, please let me know in the comment section. I will arrange the one-on-one session for conversation that is helpful for everyone to make conversation with them. So thank you for that. for listening. So if any mistake, please let me in the comment section. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, bye.